I'm Sienna Costin with New Home Lifestyles. We're showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're in Lakewood Ranch, Florida with DiVosta by Pulte Homes. We're going to be taking a look at the Mallory Park at Lakewood Ranch community and the Nobility plan. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Vanessa Smith at Mallory Park in Lakewood Ranch, and today we're going to tour our Nobility model. This home starts at 2,900 square feet, but like most of our homes, offers a lot of different ways that you can personalize both the layout and the interior features with the design studio. So we'll see some of those as we go along through the tour. Let's take a look. One of the features that's unique about this home that a lot of people mentioned to us is the Jack and Jill suite. So there's two really spacious secondary bedrooms, each having their own walk-in closet and separate vanities. Lots of space for storage and then connecting through for privacy. With this home, you'll notice as we walk through, the spaciousness is kind of a theme that carries throughout. So you've got things like linen storage, quite a few of the places as we go through the home. As for the gathering space, there is another half bath separate for your guests, as well as more storage space here. Now you really get to one of the wow features of this home that most people comment on. It's the spaciousness of the gathering room combined with the kitchen and dining space. Unlike a lot of homes that were built in the past, this home reflects a dining space that can accommodate full-size furniture that's comfortable for families to use on an everyday basis, but also for those special occasions too. The kitchen gives you lots of room for storage space. There's pull-out drawers, pot and pans locations, a large cooktop, and built-in appliances. Lots of room for seating at this huge spacious island, and it's really incorporated into your gathering room and dining for entertainment. Living in sunny Florida, the outdoor space is super important to all of us, and this home really does that well. These zero corner doors actually go completely pocketed in both directions, so that your indoor and outdoor space really is combined. So the way this lanai was configured gives you not just space for seating and grilling, but you also have room for an additional dining table, all overlooking a beautiful pool and view. So we'll take a walk past this whole great room area over to the owner's suite, and you can see how the spaciousness continues into there. So it starts off with more of a grand entry with double door entrance to the bedroom space, with a view that's overlooking your water view or preserve. We have many of those throughout the community. Past the bedroom itself leads into an owner's retreat. Lots of residents have told us this space has come in handy for them as anything from a lounge area and a TV room to a baby nursery to a home office. So it's come in handy for lots of our residents. Large walk-in closet featured off of this space. And that leads you toward the owner's bathroom. Great storage with large vanities, both the tub and shower are featured here. And the model home itself features an additional walk-in closet for someone who's really looking for even more space than the original closet. So this space that we passed by on the way to the owner's retreat, this is considered our planning center. So this is something that comes automatically in the Nobility layout that a lot of people take notice of. It's still open to the main areas, but set off to the side a little bit. Many people have decided that they wanted room to charge their cell phone, drop their mail, bring things in from the day from work, purse and keys and so forth. This is a great spot for that, as well as maybe a desktop or laptop computer location. We'll cut through the laundry room. You can see there's lots of storage space as well in here. And what a lot of people notice, many homes in Florida, you walk right in from the garage into the laundry room itself. This one is really set apart so that you don't have to have that open from the garage. This model showcases an upstairs loft, so we're going to take a look at that now. So upstairs at the top of the landing, this actually adds over another 1,000 square feet to this home's design. So the main open space with the loft area is here. So for anyone looking for an extra game room or bonus space, this does that so well. To the other side of the hallway, you have another bedroom and bathroom, so it's perfect for guests also. And you still get some good separation for privacy. Again, more storage and lots of space for those out-of-town visitors. And even a walk-in closet for guests. So aside from all the spaciousness in your own home, if you were in the Nobility, you'd also have access as a resident to this beautiful community resort style pool. There's a spa there, basketball courts, pickleball, and the community itself is located between, between a recreational park and also the middle and elementary schools. So we'd love to take you around the community for a tour in person. You can come see us Monday through Saturday, 9:30 to 5:30, or Sundays from noon to 5. Thanks for touring with us.
To learn more about this new home, check out the link below. Be sure to keep tuning in for more new home showcases.